Thank you, Danke. I wanted to thank everyone who supported my videos because I was awarded with the Heimatpreis or Hometown Award a few days ago, and yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for everyone who supports my work to clean the rivers Alme and Lohne. And besides this very fancy award, I also got some prize money, and yeah, I wanted to donate a bit of that money to some organizations that I think really deserve a lot more recognition and yeah, more support. First of all, I want to donate 50 euros to the Ocean Cleanup. That is a non-profit organization that gets marine plastic out of the ocean and prevents plastic from reaching the oceans. Yeah. Secondly, I also want to donate 50 euros to Tropical Ocean Cleanup. That is an organization that is run by my friend Richard on the Philippines. He builds very cool trash barriers out of recycled tires and old bottles and helps prevent plastic from reaching the ocean by that. And last but not least, I also want to donate 50 euros to Ocean Conservation Namibia. That is an organization that helps and rescues seals that are entangled in plastic from fishing lines or fishing nets. And yeah, it's really sad to see those pictures. The seals often already have really deep wounds from the lines that cut into their flesh. So yeah, that's why I also want to support them and donate 50 euros to them. I also want to invite everybody who helped me, all my helpers that went trash picking with me and helped me, especially with the larger items that would have been very difficult to get them out alone, like we found a tractor tire, for example, or a lot of car tires, delineators, all sorts of trash, enormous plastic sheet, and yeah, I want to thank all of them and invite them to dinner for pizza or something like that. Yeah. So that's it from me. Thank you very much. I'll be back with a new cleanup in probably 1 week. Until then, thank you for watching, thank you for your support, and I hope to see you next time.